Okay guys, so today we're finally going to finish this list, and this will get us done with all the annoying things that you got to do when you're doing anything like this. So we're going to start by throwing the alternator and the AC compressor back in the truck, and the belt back on, and get all that stuff finished up, and then we'll move on to the rest. Okay, so before we get started, I just want to say that I'm sorry that I missed a few of the last videos. I have been trying to upload twice a week for the last few months, and I have been able to do it, but these last couple of days I was actually out on vacation, and I missed a few of the uploads. I did have some videos recorded, but I ended up not even editing those videos. So I'm going to upload those videos that I had already recorded, and we're going to get back to work on the truck. So anyways, enjoy the video. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna throw on is our alternator, and it shouldn't be too hard. All we gotta do is throw those 3 bolts back in that we left in the alternators to make sure we wouldn't lose them. So we're gonna throw those on, and then we're gonna jump to the bracket on the AC compressor, and then we'll put the AC compressor on the bracket. We're just gonna grab the alternator and place it back on the bolt holes, get them started. Okay, make sure that it's well lined up. Okay, hopefully. Yep, there we go. Even that one. Now we're gonna just turn them by hand all the way down. This might have been easier with the impact, but I don't have it on hand and I don't feel like going and looking for it, so now what's gonna be fun is putting that AC bracket back on there, but we'll get it. And we're gonna snug them down a little bit, make sure that they're grabbing properly. So that's pretty good. Same with this other one. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and get all of these real nice and tight. That should be pretty good. That should be pretty good. And that's pretty good. And that's it, guys. The alternator's back in its place. Now we just gotta tackle the AC compressor bracket. Okay, so as you see, all we need for this bracket are gonna be 4 bolts that we gotta throw in it. The first thing I wanna do is I wanna move all my crap out the way. We are gonna move the AC compressor a little bit out of the way to make sure that we can put the bracket in its place without it interfering with it. You know, this is something that I'm gonna need both hands. So okay guys, so we got this thing in, and it wasn't that bad. It just took a lot of fiddling with it, and you know, and making sure it lined up perfectly. But once it's lined up, all you have is 4 bolts. So you're gonna have one right there, one right next to the thermostat housing. One's gonna be right behind this the vacuum pump pulley right behind it, and then you're gonna have your last one all the way at the bottom. So if you want to take that off, that's basically the order you're gonna take them off on. Your 4 bolts. Well, first you're gonna take off your AC compressor, but we'll do that later. We'll put it back on later. But yeah, like I said, just 4 bolts. That's back on perfectly. Now we're gonna throw the AC compressor on and throw the belt, and we'll be done with this. Okay guys, so we have this whole thing put back together. Alternator's in, AC compressor in, and the belt's in. There wasn't really not that much to it. Just throw in all your bolts, connect your plugs, and throw your belt back on. So now what I want to do is I want to put the harness back in its place, because I unbolted it to do the fuel system. So I'm gonna put that back in its place, and I think I'm gonna tie in to one of those wires for my e-fuel. So let's get to that. All we gotta do is just throw a couple nuts on the bracket, and that thing will be back in its place. And I gotta figure out which one is the one that's key on. Let me see. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna. I'll just look back at one of my videos where I did the glow plug testing, and in there I talked about which one is the key on. Okay, we got that thing back in. So one more thing to check off the list. Now, like I said, I'm gonna find out which one of these wires is key on. Okay, guys, so we finally found the key on wire, and I believe it's gonna be this one. So all I did is I ran the yellow wire. I know it looks all messy, but I'm gonna clean it up later. Just want to make sure that it's gonna work. So we got our key on power on the glow plug relay, and we got the battery all hooked. We got the power all hooked up. All right, guys. So that's gonna be it for this video. I know we didn't get much done, but I have a few other projects that are gonna be coming out pretty soon, like the H-pop. We're gonna install that next, and that should be a little bit more interesting than what we got done right now. So anyways, I hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions about anything that I've done to the truck so far or anything else, and don't forget to subscribe. So anyways, we'll see you for the next one.